time is 10 only. I close the intraday position or and you can see that I creating a startup. The maximum profit is 18,000, loss is 11,000. These are the graphs. The reason is very clear. You can see these are the play table. Okay, this is the max profit, and you can see market open, try to bullish, again it fall, again try to bullish. So I'm expecting a consolidation. So that's why I created a straddle. You can see the final SL and both sides. It's showing if the below the SL gross, the market move the below the final SL, it's going to be our maximum 18,000. If the market consolidate between the break even, we're gonna make money. These are the table how much money we're gonna make. So let me enter on the market. Okay, you can see these are the positions. Okay, I'll enter the market. Okay, let me show you the PNL. Okay, these are the chart and this is the PNL. You can see we already made some 1400. There's a break even point. So this is the positions and these are the PNL. I'm not gonna record this trade for the entire day. I took this trade for tomorrow expiry. Okay, you can see. Okay, once the market open tomorrow, I'm gonna show you the position I trade. Chalo, done for the day. See you on tomorrow video. Day 25, 2.6 lakh challenge. Day 7/29, 2025. Yesterday we took some straddle and I show the previous video also. Okay, these are the position. I'm just waiting for the market open. We can see in the market we expect it's going to consult, but end up it going to fall and break the final SL. So there's no expression is going to be profitable. So we're gonna cut our losses as much as possible. Once the market open, it's gonna create any green candle. We're gonna expect to exit. Reason the target already I see the pre-market it's showing opening a gap down. So there is no scope for we can expect a profit rate. So until if the market open creating good mother green candle, then we'll expect a profit update. Chalo, market open. You can see the PNL. You can see. Okay, we need to 9 to 10,000. Chalo, we're gonna exit when the green candle close above. We are trying to bullish. As I said, we were not gonna expecting it's gonna break the final SL and move upside. So I'm gonna exit. Once it give me confirmation, I'll exit. Okay, you can see I'm gonna exit on the trade. Okay, I'll exiting. Sure, exit. Okay, we close the straddle. Okay, these are the positions. We made a loss of 8,000. This is the order books. Okay, you can see. As I said, I'm expecting a market going to be fall. Reason? Just give me a second. Once later, I'll explain you the analysis behind the entry. 1 second. Let me confirm. Okay. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, it's going to be create a red candle. I'm just wait for the confirmation. Okay, enter. You can see the market open and try to bullish and break the previous day consolidation, and again it created the double tap pattern. So it's showing the bearishness in the market, and I said the closing of the straddle. I'm not expecting any big move on today, so I'm expecting gonna fall again, test the day low as the target, then again it might be consolidation entire day. That's why I took the trade. Okay, let me convert into one more time point to confirm to place our SR. Okay, you can see below this I'm gonna place my SR. You can see the 400 EMA support. Okay, you can see the trade got started. So let me update my SL. Okay, let me wait for the confirmation. Once it give me confirmation on the spot chart, I'll gonna update my SL. Okay, you can see the option chart moving but spot chart not falling. I'm just waiting for the green candle broke. Once the green candle broke below, we will highly confirm gonna expect a good rally from downside. Okay, you're gonna say it's consolidating still a lot. They might be create a doji. Let me exit on market. Okay, exited. Then you can see it tried to create a doji. Doji we know it not going to decide any side. That's why I exited. Okay, these are the orders and these are the positions. We made loss of 2,000. Okay, you can see after exiting, I'm waiting for the confirmation. I'll get this once I'll get the confirmation. I'll enter this trade. Okay, you can see as I said previous. I'm expecting a consolation. But you can see market fall, then again it's open and try to continue bullish, again it try to fall, again to be support and created in good, you know, W W and head and shoulder pattern also. So might be expecting the one the head and shoulder pattern break, and we can highly expect a upside the zone break, and we can expect a good rally upside and expecting a 200 EMA target. So let me wait for the candle close. As we expect, market should be bullish, but it's not going to be bullish. Try to consider. Let me update my trial SL, sorry, SL below this candle. In case if the candle close below the wicked, I'll confirm it's going to be bearish day. So let me update it. Okay, I can say. So let me okay, again zero. The same happened. The biggest last day, same. This is how it is working. I don't know what happened to zero. They're not going to click me any, itself. So, shut. Okay, it's gonna happen. These are the position. We made loss of 5,000 for the intraday purpose. So let me wait for the confirmation. Okay, you can see after exit trade, I'm still expecting it's going to be a bullish trade. Once again, okay, I entered already. You can see it's already breaking the head and shoulder pattern neck. Okay, I'm expecting to it going to break the upside zone because it's going to be yesterday consolidation and today high also. Once the broken, we can expect a 200 EMA upside as a target, and below we're going to place at the asset because the market took support from the 1 minute time frame on 200 EMA. So I'm expecting it's going to be bullish. Let me wait for the confirmation. Once the candle closes, we can fix. Okay, as we plan, market went bullish, but I can see there is no strength in option chart. It might be creating a doji. Okay, you can see as expected it's going to falling. So how is it triggered? Okay, let me show you. These are order books, and here with the positions. Okay, after exit trade, the SL triggered. I am waiting for the confirmation. You can see I entered on P side on Bank Nifty. Compare with Nifty, Bank Nifty more bearish compared with Nifty from the morning. So I'm expecting a fall on market. That's why I entered. You can say. Let me wait for the candle close. Okay, you can see as we expected market should fall, but not falling. So that's why I'm updating my SL below the candle, because always I tell you my strategy is going to be whenever the market create any wick, it should not break the wick. In case if the market break the wick, that means there is no support to hold it. Been upside is on the downside. You can say we entered on downside. You can see market creating a wick, but I can try to break the wick, so there is no scope for the whole the sellers to this particular trade. That's why I updated my SL. In mostly we gonna hit our SL only. So let me wait for a confirmation. Once the candle below, we can expect a rally, but I'm not gonna expect it's going to be hit our target. So let me wait for candle close. Okay, I can see. It too close to hit our SL. I don't know, the spots are still not moving. Why? So our SL got triggered. Let me show you order books. These are order books, and these are the entry exit place, and these are the position. We made a loss of 17,000, but in this 9,000 was made by position trade. So okay, after exiting trade, I'm expecting a rally on Nifty. Reason is very clear. As I said previously, we exited the particular reason. We expecting bullish party created a doji. That's why I exited. Again, I enter in the particular trade. Same expiration is going to break the upside. Once I break the upside resistance, it highly confirm it's going to bullish because the consolation gives the strength to move upside, and new buyers going to enter on this particular trade. That's why I entered. Okay, you can see as we expect market bullish, but it's not bullish. It right or fall. So you can see the spots are more falling compared with the spot chart. So let me exit on market. So I exited. Okay, let me enter first. Just 1 second. Okay, you can see as expected. Previously I said I'm expecting fall on bank nifty because the candle you can see again try to fall again. It created a good bearish engulfing. The bearish engulfing sign the market going to be bearish only. That's why I entered this particular. I'm expecting a target of day low. I'm gonna exit if the candle close above the bearish engulfing. I'm gonna exit. Okay, let me wait for the confirmation. What happened in the morning of the starting? We can see market try to give our targets. But we earlier giving our target, then end of the day it's going to be hit our SL and we're gonna exit on our own reason. I don't know what particularly. It might be consolation day. I'm expected, but I'm expecting it's going to be bearish. Reason you can see if market creating a symmetric pattern, and most of people know about the symmetric pattern. If it broke the pattern, we can expect a same target of the downside or upside. So I'm expecting it's going to break downside. That's why creating this pattern. Okay, let me wait for the breaking, or once the candle will talk. Okay, you can see we're expecting a bearish, but market tried to consolidate, and again it took the rest of our 200 EMA. That's why I update my SL below the candle. In case if the SL got triggered, that means there is no scope for the bearishness. So let me update it. Okay, you can see he tried to creating a continuous dojis. It might be expecting upside rally. That's why I updated our SL too tight. Reason there is no scope or waiting for the SL. That's why I updated my SL below this candle. Well, if the candle broke the symmetric pattern, we can highly expect, but I'm not going to expect it's going to break the pattern. The reason is you can see the continuous three candle creating doji. It means there is a high. Okay, SL again zero. So exit manually. I don't know, man. This is the same thing. I don't know. I have to shift. I'm planning to change my brokerage. If it happen like this, I'm gonna change. Let me show you. These are the order books, and let me show you the position. These are the positions. Okay, we are across the limit, and but I took this small trade for the day. I'm expecting it's going to be bullish. I'm expecting a 200 MA from the starting of the Nifty dates, but I'm expecting this trade going to be hit our target. If not, I'm going to exit. Let's me wait for the confirmation. Chalo, wait for the candles. Okay, you can see market tried to bullish and again creating a red candle, but I highly expect it's going to be bullish only. You can see the candle strength is two candles. We can highly expect one more green candle. But this is going to be last trade. I'm exhausted. I don't want to trade more. If the SL got triggered, I'm not going to trade. Okay, it highly confirmed it's going to be bullish. So let's wait for the candle close. Okay, market prior to creating a doge, but highly confident it's going to hit our target, but I'm not, you know, I'm not in a mood to hold this trade. That's why I'm exiting this trade because I know I'm done for the day. I'm feeling I'm already exhausted and I'm feeling I'm over trade all today. So that's why I exited. Let's wait for tomorrow. Market will stay forever. These are the weeks and let me show. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.